Remember the roar of that 2000 Porsche 911 Turbo on your old CRT monitor? If you've been trying to figure out how to download NFS Porsche Unleashed lately, you've probably run into a massive wall of fake tutorials. Look, I get most videos showing you how to get Need for Speed Porsche Unleashed are just pure clickbait designed to waste your time or string you along for views. Not here. Welcome back to Freebies on Steroids. In this video, I'm giving you a direct, step-by-step guide on downloading NFS Porsche Unleashed that actually works. It's been thoroughly tested, it's 100% safe, and there is absolutely zero malware or viruses. Let's get you back in the driver's seat. Before we get further into the video, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not create, own, or claim ownership of any of the game files featured. The content presented in this video is not intended to encourage piracy, illegal distribution, or unauthorized downloads in any form. The channel's mission is to create archival copies of video games to prevent them from being lost forever. In some cases, games previously regarded as abandoned may later be re-released or commercially revived. If you're the copyright holder or licensing owner of any game shown on this channel and would like the content removed, please contact me at the email you see on the screen and also at the description of this video. Thank you. So now, first things first, security. As you see from my screen, I've already downloaded the game files safely on my PC. Now, I will scan them to show you that they do not have any viruses or malwares on them. I will scan the files in front of you with two of the best security softwares that exist right now, and I use personally, which are Bitdefender and Malwarebytes. This way, you will see for yourself that the files are clean to download. This may take a while, so sit back and relax a little. As you see, game files are totally clean and safe to download. So now, we move to the download part. To download Need for Speed Porsche Unleashed on PC free and safely, I've created a Google Doc with step-by-step instructions, so you can easily follow each step carefully and understand all the things you need to click and do in order for you to get the game correctly without any problem. I've done this to help you, so you don't get confused about where to go or what to click. The link to this doc you'll find in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. So go ahead, pause this video, click the link, follow the instructions carefully, and come back here once you get the game files. So now that you have downloaded the game correctly, there's one last thing for me to explain to you, how to install and play Need for Speed Porsche Unleashed. But I'm not going to bother you too much here, because this is a very easy and straightforward thing to do. Open the Game Files folder, right-click on the file called Porsche.exe, go to Properties and choose Windows XP Service Pack 3 under Compatibility option. Also, check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK. Double-click on the file called Porsche.exe to launch the game. One last thing before I say goodbye, I recommend installing all the driver packs that you see here so that this game works correctly. These driver packs come in help also with other games in the future that you may decide to install and play. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, as I will do my best to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time, take care